Muhammad is and always will be the last and final prophet of Allah. He was a mercy unto the universe. Peace and blessings be on Al-Mustafa.
नहमदहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Brothers and sisters, I am Manzoor Sheikh, the host for today's program. We begin our program with the recitation of Holy Qur'an. Zakir Naik will recite before you Surah Ala. Zakir Naik.
أيها المستمعون الكرام، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اسمي ذكرى نايك، والآن أقدم أمامكم تلاوة القرآن الكريم من سورة الأعلى. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سبح اسم ربك الأعلى الذي خلق فسوى والذي قدر فهدى والذي أخرج المرعى فجعله غثاء أحوى سنقرئك فلا تنسى إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى ونيسرك لليسرى فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى سيذكر من يخشى ويتجنبها الأشقى الذي يصلى النار الكبرى ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا قد أفلح من تزكى وذكر اسم ربه فصلى بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا والآخرة خير وأبقى إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى صحف إبراهيم وموسى صدق الله العلي العظيم.
Jazakallah Zakir Naik. Now I call upon Rushda Naik. She will do the qiraat of Surah Duha.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث صدق الله العظيم.
This was Rushda Naik, Alhamdulillah. Now, I call upon Tariq Naik. He will present Islamic song Muslim.
1 billion strong all year long. Pray to Allah even in Hong Kong. Can never be wrong if you read the Qur'an. God has never been chased since day one. Other people brag, say that we lag, but they don't know all the power we had. The power we had, the power we had. So Muslim, don't you ever be sad. Take merry looks, go read their books. You'll see all the facts that your friends overlook. So always be proud, you can say it out loud. I'm proud to be down with the Muslim crowd. Muslim, I'm so blessed to be with them. Muslim, I'm so blessed to be with them. Don't know about you, I know about me. I'm proud to go rolling Islamically. Everywhere I see, even on TV, people talking trash about the way I be. But what they all hate is if you get great, cause you are the one with your heads on straight. Don't ever frown with your head looking down. If you read the Qur'an, you're the best in the town. You all have doubts, say we have no clap, but within a few years, see how we've come about. Come back to the scene, the number one deen. I'm proud to be down with the Muslimin. Muslim, I'm so blessed to be with them. Muslim, I'm so blessed to be with them.
Jazakallah Tariq. Now we have Rushda Naik delivering a song, Islamic song, I Believe in Allah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I stand in a line and pray, and zakah I pay. I fast in Ramadan, cause I believe in Allah. I'm nice to my fellow men, I'm kind to my parents. My elders I respect, cause I believe in Allah. Watching over me, all things Allah can see. I want to be sure He's happy with my deeds. He answers me in prayer. When I call, He's always there. He helps me through the day. Yes, I believe in Allah. I love to hear the adhan. I love my deen Islam. I hope to go to Makkah, cause I believe in Allah. I believe in Allah. I believe. Yes, I believe in Allah.
Now, Rushda Naik will deliver a Islamic song, Talk to Me About Muhammad, peace be upon him. I request the audience, especially for this song, please carefully pay attention to each and every word of this song. It will inshallah touch the strings of your heart.
It would be such a pleasure to have you come along with me. I accept your gracious offer of kindness and company. But as we walk along, young man, and as you help me with the load, I have only one request. As we travel down this road, don't talk to me about Muhammad. Because of him there is no peace and I have trouble in my mind. So don't talk to me about Muhammad. And as we walk along together, we will get along just fine. I have only one request. As we travel down this road, don't talk to me about Muhammad. That man upsets me so much more than you could know. I hear of his name and reputation everywhere I go. Though his family and his clan once knew him as an honest man, he's dividing everyone with his claim that God is one. So don't talk to me about Muhammad. And as we walk along together, we will get along just fine. I have only one request as we travel down this road. Don't talk to me about Muhammad. Thank you now, young man. You've been so really kind. Your generosity and smile are very rare to find. Let me give you some advice, since you've been so very nice. From Muhammad's